Alright, here we go. I'm not believing that I'm doing this. Please work, please work. You just got caught in 4K. Yes, it's working. Yes. Imagine this is your fan is gonna fucking freak out. I woke up today and I said, why not make a Google extension that sends insulting messages to people? And also, it's my first time making a Google extension, so I'm not gonna use ChatGPT for this one. Great idea. I don't know what. Just watch the fucking video, man. So I asked ChatGPT how to create a Google extension that every time the user visits a specific website, it will pop a message specifically for that subject. Alright, let's copy this code to the editor one by one, starting with the manifest.js, and change this URL just for testing purposes. My favorite website, save, and then go to the content.js. Let's copy this code, create the file, and then copy paste the code, create pop-up HTML, let's create the file, and then copy the code and then paste it here, save, test extension locally, open Google Chrome, and then enable developer mode. Okay, we have to open Google Chrome, then go to the extension manager. We'll upload the extension. Where is it? Here, my extension. Upload. There an error. A comma. I think we forgot. Here, let's fix. Alright. Good file. There's a file called background.js. I don't know. Oh shit, there is. I'm stupid. I'm so stupid. Okay, let's make this. I don't know what this is mean. This is my first time creating a web extension. I don't know what I'm doing, so don't judge me. Oh, okay, it's working. There it is. Kind of idea is there. Message pop-up. This is my best extension. Let's change this message to test message here. Testing. Oh, it's working. We have a problem. The alert stops the website from loading properly, and that's not efficient. So I asked ChatGPT again, can you change the type of the message from alert to normal message on the side of the browser, and give it a good style CSS, because the alert stops with the web from loading. So I'm not fully dumb. And then give me this result update code. So let's copy content.js, inject customer message. Copy this, change it, and then save. Go back. We have to create the content.css. We don't have. Let's have this file. So let's create it, and then let's go back and copy the style. Save. Then go back again, update manifest. So we only need this line. So the code, so the extension recognizes the CSS. You know what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna explain this shit. Let's remove it. Upload the extension again. By the way, I changed the message from my extension to mock me, because I can. I tested on the Oh, this is good. It's working. Pop-up message. This is good. So we are on good terms. I have a problem. Another problem again. I don't like the URL method, how it works. So I asked ChatGPT how to change it. Can I update the code and change the method, then change the URL method to know the site? They gave me this result again. So much result. So let's start with the manifest.js. We'll have to say allow the extension to run on our website, all URLs. Alright, let's copy this and change it here. Save and go back and copy content.js, all the code. By the way, I know what I'm doing. Like, I understand the code, I can read it. Don't just copy the code and paste it from just GPT. You have to understand the basics at least. And if you don't, if you didn't understand something, you can ask ChatGPT again or ask Google. It's working. I don't like this color, so I will change it to red. But you are visiting ChatGPT, so he know the website. She extension she. So I asked ChatGPT create permission insulting messages for Twitter users. Just a fun experiment. And then he replied, creating insulting messages, even for fun, can enforce negativity or harmful. And I said, bro, is this for a video? Understood. Let's aim for something fun and light-hearted. And immediately I replied, your Wi-Fi signal has more ups and downs than your personality. Light-hearted, huh? Bet you argue with your GPS and still get lost. Your selfie game is so strong, the mirror calls you complain. What? Alright, let's work with this. An update, I create greeting.js to put all the greetings messages. You can read all of it. You can pause and read it. I don't have time to read this shit. Move on. And then let's go to manifest. I add the greeting.js, the first one, so you can read it before content. And then I added the and I forgot to say, I created the random string function, so every time it gives us a random greetings from the extension message. It's working. You are so full of hot air. I am surprised you haven't floated away yet. What does that even mean? Alright, let's create the icons. I make these 3 icons. Copy these icons, paste it, then it's working. There's the icon. Let's change the shaking effect. Let's copy paste change this one, the shaking effect, the shake, and it's working. To bring everyone joy, I changed this. Instead of then calling the function every line, we'll call it once at the end. Getting I can't even fucking talk, bro. Upload the extension. Bring everyone joy when you leave the group chat. And wait, can refresh automatically. I bet you argue with you. Yes, I know this one. And yes, you're the kind of person who claps on. I don't understand this fucking marketing, bro. What the fuck is this? What I'm doing this video? What?